I'm Tom Petrie. I'm the Director of Technology for Collier County Schools. Collier County is located in the extreme southwestern corner of Florida, about 2,300 square miles, 52 schools, 44,000 students, and 6,000 staff members. Of the 25,000 desktops and notebooks in our environment today, about 12,400 of them are using Citrix technology. 10,000 are using the desktop streaming technology, and another 2,400 are using the hosted virtual desktop. So in the mobile laptop environment with the mobile carts, that's where we're using the hosted desktop solution, the XenDesktop hosted solution, to be able to really deliver these desktops using a very small amount of bandwidth across this 54 meg wireless access point back from our data center. So basically we've got 16 laptops that all need to utilize a single 54 megabit access point. So utilizing the proven capabilities of the ICA protocol, we've really been able to accomplish that in a very small amount of bandwidth and been able to squeeze those 16 desktops into that bandwidth quite efficiently. We have a wide variety of people using these technologies. Both faculty and students use these technologies. The hosted virtual desktops, which are running primarily on notebook technology, is primarily for student use. The desktop streaming technology is used across both faculty and students. What we had noticed initially was that we really had some massive desk side support costs in supporting and maintaining a traditional desktop and notebook infrastructure. In addition, we noticed that there were lengthy replacement cycles for our equipment, that it took a lot to get our equipment replaced. So we would go around replacing our equipment every 3 years. 33% of our PCs would be replaced every year. What this meant was, in a 3-month span of time, we were going around replacing a ton of equipment. It was very difficult to do this all in the summer. With this, we've extended the life of our PC replacement cycles from 3 to 5 years. In addition, we've also noticed that about 80% of our trouble tickets were related to software configuration issues. So by implementing this technology where the state of the machine really remains the same after a reboot, it really has brought down those application support costs dramatically and been able to allow our technicians in the field to focus more on hardware issues. We looked at a lot of different technologies before selecting Citrix, and the reason why we selected Citrix was really the capabilities and combination of the product that they were able to bring to market. That the fact that they had the ICA protocol, their management capabilities, and their overall knowledge of application delivery was able to really enabled us to be able to leverage all of those technologies and put them together in one platform and utilize them, as opposed to some of the other organizations which had many different pieces, but Citrix was really able to pull it all together for us. In terms of user experience, what we've seen with the Citrix technology from the end user's perspective is that we've always wanted to be able to deliver the same kind of experience that they're used to having. So with this environment, this wasn't any different. We set out to make sure that we were going to be able to parallel everything that we're doing in our traditional environment right now in terms of user experience. So the rich media, graphics-rich websites, dynamic content, all that kind of stuff has really been accomplishable in our environment using the ICA technology. So we've been able to accomplish that in addition to having things like the USB support, which are really important to us. Some of the features that we really have been looking forward to and are excited to see in XenDesktop 3 are the enhanced USB support, the ability to be able to support a wide range of USB devices. For us, human interface device, USB probe kind of support, it was really important to us, as we have a lot of science applications that rely on that support. So the capability that it's channelized in the ICA protocol and really able to provide real-time data collection, which is what our science people were looking for, is really great. Previously we had to do it out of band, and the latency that was introduced was quite significant. So having it in the ICA protocol has been great. We plan to deploy another 8,000 desktops using Citrix technology.